Yeah, good morning guys, it's another day here. I'm just about to go and pick up my husband from, he took his car in to get service for a pink slip. I could at least open up the car first, huh? Okay, sorry guys. Was our rubbish day this morning? That's why all the rubbish is on the road. Anyway, I'm off. I am not off. I am on. That got loud. Okay guys, got asthma just getting in there. Okay. Yeah, so I've got, where am I going to go? I forgot. Oh yeah. So my husband has to go to the doctors. Because you know, the weather has been making everyone sick. Yeah, me and my poor mama. She went on an excursion today. You know why? Because I told her to stay home because she's a bit, you know, got a lot better, but she wanted to go excursion. It looked like she was going to cry when I told her she couldn't go. Naughty girl, naughty. Okay, see you guys later. See, I'm a driver for everyone this morning. See, my guy over there is going doctor. See, look. That's where our family doctor is. In that little house there. That's where his place of business is. And my husband's going to check on himself. They'll probably say, oh, you know what, mister, you are far gone. Yeah guys, so that's what I am today. Taxi driver, bus driver, nurse. And then I've got to go today to get my cooking stuff. Yeah, no, because I want to cook in the garage, right? I don't want to cook in the house, right? You know why? Because I'll be in there and everyone will be walking in. Oh, hang on. Sorry, ma'am. Gotta use the microwave. Sorry, ma'am. I just want to get me a cup. I just want to do this. Wait. So I thought, I'll do my cooking in the garage. I hope I don't have to wait long. Oh. My mum's got on her excursion. Gotten a bit better, my poor mama bear. Yeah, but she wanted to go her excursion. She did not want me to say she can't go. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'll get back to you when I have gotten MacGyver out of the doctor's medical centre, little house, thingy-majiggy. Then we got to go to like a camping place, you know, to get all this camping stuff. Do you know, one time I slept outside in the winter in my daughter's tent. I was having a good old sleep. It reminded me of back in the days when I used to go camping as a little kid, right? I woke up in the morning and the mildew on the top of the tent was dribbling. Doop, 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 doop. And I thought, I'm gonna get sick. I better get out of here. And that end. Guess where I am, guys? Have a guess. I'm not telling you where, but have a guess. Have a guess. Nah. Come on, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna go in here, buy me some food for my cooking, and then, yeah, just waste money. And then look at the thick one. We gotta find. Let's go shopping. Okay, bakit for ingay kangang yang? Oh yeah, that's alright. This is like camel. Yeah. Okay, let me think what I'm here to get first. Okay, capsicum maybe. I remember coming from New Zealand and we saw Australian capsicum for the first time and they were massive. See, this is the massive one and this is the New Zealand little size one. I don't know about now. Maybe it's different. Oh yeah, give me a little bag of this. Alright. Is that camel? Sort of like. Oh yeah, I want some little red potatoes. Oh there, up there. Oh yeah, you'll have to excuse the noise of the trolley. These are quite firm. I like these potatoes. These reddish ones. Okay, I took a bag. Oh, okay. I don't even know if I'm allowed to film in here actually, guys, but I'm going to take you guys shopping with me. These are nice. You just toss this in with your stir fry and Bob's your auntie. Oi, get me some celery. Okay, got to leave with no celery. Yeah,你mắc cả mạng ấy giờ mày. Hey, I like a busy. Yep. Oh. You know what's good about this? You get a lot of pumpkin out of this one. Ah, yeah. But these are the easy, pure, sweet ones. Yep. Okay, spring onion. Yep, that'll come handy for me with my cooking. Oh, look how long they are. Oh. Yeah. Quick fat beer. Yeah, yeah. I will feel like it's my boy. Ah, your foot. I see my boy. Yeah, my mama beer. Maybe level class. Yeah, level class. You know my kids, nah, they do not like a lot of food that I cook because they tell me I'm a fob. Yeah, I'll give them a fob in a minute. Hey guys, oh look. This is a beautiful drink. I'm going to get me one, my mama one, and my other mama one. That's me. Oh, look at this. I wonder what this would taste like. Pure pomegranate. Okay, hang on, let's take it home, try it out. Never know until you try it. Okay. See how convenient this is to get the already pure potato. Oh, I bought these garlic, guys. If you buy these garlics, mangaya, better than these jar ones, I feel. You know, guys, I'm just picking these, but will I use them? That is the big question. Stop it. Stop teasing. Oh, my, fully handy on email. Oh, handy dandy. Stir fry, yeah. Oi, 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 oi. Which one is the better one? Steamed Singapore noodles. Okay, I think I'll get this one. I'll get two. No, I'll get the big one. Get the big one. What about this one? Oh, I don't want to pick the wrong one. No, I'll pick this one. Oh, I hope it doesn't break apart. Okay, I'll take that one. Look at these. Nice. Okay. I think that's it. How about it in your fight? Nah, in your fight. Okay. Kasi si Faye, ngulat ka nga ka. Wow, these are big bananas. Yeah, they are. Are these nearly yellow? You know what? They are. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the story is any. Wait, yeah. See how massive capsicum is in Australia? They are big mamas. They are big mamas. Yeah, I like getting the really light ones, guys, because you know when you weigh it, it's not gonna look. This one's pretty heavy, so I just go along until I find me a nice. That looks nice in the front, but you turn it around. Okay, just need a little one. This looks like that Samoan thing. This needs a good wash. Oh, never mind. Okay, one more. This one. Oh, bit heavy inside, This one? Not bit heavy. See, that's what you have to do. So you have to go touching them all to see which one is hit. Oh, what about this one? Oh no, that feels like supersonic heavy. Okay, I'll go back to this one. Oh yeah, I definitely need a bigger. I'll put the one in the. There, this one. Yeah. Okay, Bob's your auntie. Let's go. Okay. With a bunch of coriander. Oh, yum. Okay. With a small bunch of coriander. And we need a lot of it. Look at the bunch of watercress here. Okay, better not. You know me, sometimes I just buy stuff, but I really don't even need it. What is that called? Pakai? Ko fai mai pakai. I love pork choy. Yeah, I was so pork choy. It's nice for a soup. I love corned beef soup with noodles and pork choy. It's delicious. Gotta get some bananas for my mama. This nice little bunch right in the front here. Yeah, that'll be up in that. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go get me a bread. Oh, yum. Look. It's so nice. These are so sweet guys. They're free for, yeah, product of New Zealand. So with me a little bag. Oh, nah, never mind. Okay. These sweet buns. Okay, what's my food? No. Now all I need, oh hang on, get me some sauce. Hang on, I'll park my car here. Yep, crash, and then get me some sauce. What's bonito sauce? Oh, must be for honey soy. Sweet soy. Oi. I like some sweet soy. Okay. Sweet soy it is. Come on, mate. So that, yeah. Meat time. Let's go and get some meat. Is Charlie getting heavy? Is Charlie's getting near my fofo? Oh, I love these bread and just, you know, like butter, New Zealand butter, and a nice cup of tea to have it with. Oh yum, look at these blueberry muffin guys. Oh, how lovely, how lovely. I should get me one. Okay. Okay. I'll get one. Yep. That's me and my mama. Yum, yum, yum. Hello. Have you got lamb breast already cut up? You don't have any at the moment. Okay. Like 2 kilos, please. Okay, chicken crumbs, nichels. That looks lovely. Seasoned chicken rissoles. Yeah, one of my kids were like that. They are so. Don't eat the food I make. They better watch it. Yum. Look at that. 5 for 16. Yum, yum, yum. I think I'll get some T-bone steak. Yeah. Yep, being served. Okay guys, this is about it. And then I'll see you guys outside. Hey guys, I'm here at Hungry Jack's, giving me a burger and some hot chips. Yep, got hungry, taking everyone around. And this is what I got. Got me an Angus burger. See the photo there. I'm going to peel all this back in case I might eat the paper. Looks so good. good, Faye. Yeah, have a plate. One. Two guys. Did you hear they're having a challenge? No. You don't wipe your mouth all the way through. Man, I'll wipe every little second. Oh man. Oh, look on. Look. Barbecue sauce. It's very nice. Rub this off. Barbecue sauce is sweetie. It's nice. Hot. Nice. Well, I've done my taxi driver thing for the day. And I have to go to his medicines. He's in the car. He didn't want to come in because he'll cough right free. Don't worry, I'm keeping an eye on him. He's really good. See how thick the mince is? Worth it. Anyway, so they're having their challenge of no wiping when you're eating. So, I'm going to take it on. So good. I think I'm going to eat 2 of these. Lovely. The sauce right through, the mince is nice and thick. Very nice. Bit of cheese stuck on it. come here by myself, but it's not actually people. However, we'll see you later. We finish my food, and I'm gonna take my patient home so he can go and have a rest. Okay, see you again. Last report.